let me tell you, if you think NBA or GDM is a kind of a destination and it's going to take you to great heights, partially yes, partially no, because you have to be, the whole discussion or the purpose of this discussion is to bring you to the reality. The reality is, yes, you're going to go to great heights. Okay, we're going to help you in doing these things. But how that is going to happen also depends on the students, as already acknowledged by many of us. So it is not only the skill sets. Probably if you take marketing or finance or operations or HR, you become that person. But I think that mindset is something, the attitude and aptitude to learn. And also the learning is something which doesn't end with the GDM degree or probably the placement that you get. And as everybody acknowledged, the learning is lifelong. And for which you need to have an open mindset. And today, in corporates, we say it's not, earlier we used to say big fishes eat small fishes, right? Big companies used to eat away the small ones, Microsoft and many others. Today, it is not the big or small that matters, it is the fastest fish, right? How quickly you are able to, again, with permission of the panelists, which has been acknowledged, how quickly you are able to adapt, right? How quickly you are learning things, how innovative you are. You talk about digital skills, you talk about innovation, you talk about technology, you are expected to know a lot of things. Of course, in your own domain, sometimes even beyond that. You're not expected to be within the cocoon, right? I'm a finance guy, I only learn finance and I don't really need to do anything with other marketing. Probably I completely disagree with such a mindset, because you probably need to think more of an entrepreneur. Okay, that entrepreneurial mindset is what is really going to make you probably, if you don't want to settle as a management trainee or a business development manager or any other profile, down the line, like 5 years, 10 years, you want to grow up to the CEO position, or you probably want to start your own. I think that entrepreneurial mindset in innovation, okay, that really makes you to think start from the scratch. If you have to start this business from the scratch, how will you do that? You need to find new ways of doing it, probably what other companies or other people have not done. And that is what really going to take, of course, you and both at the same time, the businesses to the great heights. That open mindset, right? Staying away from that silos, and also broad, removing the tunnel vision and having a broader perspective about the business, about the future, about everything. Keep your eyes, ears open, right? The learning has to be lifelong. Somebody rightly said, skill sets can be learned or maybe taught, but the attitude and aptitude to learn cannot be. It is something which is very much within the student, within the aspirant. Okay, right. Just